Hey guys, Happy New Year! And I have lipstick on. Mama, where's my eyeliner and makeup thingy?
Come here.
I'm already. Then you also, what are you gonna do with this?
Ha?
Are you still gonna
Oo,
put
yung salamin ko na.
Sorry.
Hindi yan. Hindi ka magaganyan.
What's this? Ah, Mama, yun mo.
Wala ko nga. Dito
Ay,
yung rin
ito, tinusik mo ito. Ah!
Close your
Hey
eyes.
guys. Watch me, okay?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes lang. Close. Close lang. Open. Close. Close.
So guys, you may have heard the fireworks, but it's okay, okay?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Huwag kang malikot na lang.
I want to be.
Ay, di ikaw na lang mag-makeup sa'yo. Kasi ang kulit mo, hindi ka masabihan eh. Diyan ka na naman eh. Close your eyes. Open. Close. Wala. Open. Close. Open.
Yeah. Should I look? Eyeliner.
Opo.
Ano ito eyeliner?
Okay, tapos.
Again.
Yakit ang blush on.
Ah, blush. Blush. So guys, it's normal to put lipstick on your face as blush, okay? Now I always do this to me. Put lipstick on my face.
Gila.
How much it look? That's it. Ah, you're hurting me. Just kidding.
Ano ka? Then we'll take a picture ha.
And then we can throw outside. So hello.
Kabila.
So cute. Ah, you keep on rubbing my face.
Tumisip.
So guys, so they look na, but you still need eyeliner. Ay! Maayayo. Buksan din na.
Ako na. Close your eyes.
Okay, don't lose yourself. You might poke your eye with the eyeliner, okay?
Close your eyes.
Oh.
Open your eyes.
So look. The eyeliner. Where's it looks better? With the eyeliner. Eyeliner. Or no eyeliner.
Close your eyes now.
So I'm not yet done with the eyeliner. I knew it. Okay, I'm just telling you. I'm talking to the followers, not you.
But you have to be quiet. Close your eyes. Cold. Wait lang. Likot ng kamay mata mo, Ling.
Ano ko ginagawa?
Ang likod ganyan, oh. Kalat na. Open your eyes. Ayan na, kumalat na. Open mo yan. Hindi ka na naman eh. Huwag ka na mag-eyeliner.
No, gusto ko mag-eyeliner.
Ayun na, kalat-kalat na eyeliner sa mata mo.
At then,
Open your eyes lang. Close. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
I think that's better, guys. The one with the eyeliner. I want to know.
Huwag mo ilikot yung mata mo, ha? Please lang. Wait lang. Huwag mo yung ano mo na. Open. Open. Open mo lang. Close. Wait lang. Open. Kaya ganun nagkakala talaga siya rin sa'yo.
Bakit?
Hindi ko din alam, anak eh.
Hindi naman yung kalat, ma.
Ha?
Hindi naman yung kalat.
Hindi ko nga alam bakit nagkakalat. Open your eyes. I don't know what happened.
Hindi
lang.
naman na.
Open your eyes. Open mo lang. Tingin. Tingin. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
I'm opening my eyes.
Nakatingin ka kasi sa baba eh. Dilat lang. Dilat lang. Taas mata. Baba. Kabila. Open your eyes sa kabila. Taas mata. Up. Ang pangit sa'yo ng ano ngayon. Open your eyes sa mata gilid. Yan. Okay. Okay na.
Yay, I'm already.
Ano, baba na dun.